Welcome everyone. This is my trade recap for Monday. What I did on Monday, So my last video, I said I was shorting from here, doing Asia. So before I go to sleep, the market obviously stopped me out. But when it stopped me out, another setting from I wasn't even supposed to trade this day because of the US. This US bank holiday, blah 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 and stuff. But it's good and it has been moving crazy. So this was the trade I took. I This trade initially I took because we were reacting from this resistance level and we had a market this in an inverse fair value gap that I this shorted from, even though like the short was to come down to an area where I feel like price is going to start buying from, but it stopped me out. But the moment it stopped me out, I saw another entry because this support turns to resistance and blah 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 and gold is trending upwards. So I had a 3.5 hour trade. So technically I didn't lose any money on this trade. I even made like two point extra 2.5 hours. So this is it. This was the second trade that I took on gold, and we broke and closed above this resistance level. This level is a resistance level, so we close above it. So after breaking and close above it, this imbalance right here, this 15-minute imbalance right, that was my entry. My stop was below this candle, and you can see a very beautiful trade, and 1 to 3.6. So yeah, so that was the trade I took on gold yesterday. And my trade on GBPJPY have been stopped out. Yeah, it was an SL trade, but remember I told you guys like this trade I took it knowing fully well that price might get here. So this my entry is still active here. This my entry here is still active. I'm still inside this trade. This sell limit is still very active. So I'm waiting for price to buy back into that place, then we can start selling also. Probably if we get here today, then that will be today will be like the high of the week, because this area I'm anticipating this area is going to hold. And the reason why I'm anticipating is because of this gap right here. This gap right here needs to come and be closed. It needs to be filled. So I feel like when price gets back into this area, it's going to sell off to come off, close that gap. So that's like a 1 to 11. So that's the trade I'm monitoring right now. And there's GBP news today, so there's going to be volume on GBP pair. So yeah, I feel like today is going to be the day that this trade is going to hit. So this position is currently still valid. So yeah, I'll see what the market does after tapping into it. And on gold, what do I want to do on gold? Do I want to do anything on gold? Yeah, gold is just trending, it's just going upward. So this thing is going to be a buy. So if I say buy setup on gold, I'm gonna take it. But if I don't, yeah, that's it. I don't. So the US oil also. So I'm looking for price to go back here into these premium areas, but I'm not going to enter straight off. I want a reaction from this area. So the reaction is going to be where I'm going to be looking for. So if I say reaction, I'm just going to enter and keep selling off, because remember this pair is very bearish. It's a very bearish pair. On a high time frame, it's very bearish. So I'm looking to continue selling when we get here. Oh my gosh, I'm looking to continue selling when we get here. So that's what I'm looking at. And BTC, do I have any trade on BTC? No, I still don't. Because there's a massive drop. So technically, anytime there's a massive drop, the market always buys back. So this I feel like Bitcoin right now, even if I'm going to do anything, I'm going to be looking for longs on Bitcoin. I'm going to be looking for longs because that's the yeah longs. I'm going to be looking for longs on Bitcoin, but I don't think I'm going to be trading Bitcoin. I think the replay I'm going to be trading is this the this. I'm waiting for price to get here to give me a sell, and also GBPJPY. I'm waiting for price to get here and give me a sell also. I was stopped on this, but that's part of the trades. This is where I'm looking for price to get back into for this 4 hour order block, to hold price, to push price downwards. If we are still very dead, like we should not break and close above this. So this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for price to get here and shift down, because I've had an entry. If I didn't have an entry, I will just wait for the market to come on the 15-minute time frame and react and break structure down before I enter. But I have an entry since like last week that I've been witnessing, that I've put an order to. So that's just what I'm doing right now. Just trying to take the sell to come up close this gap here. So thank you for watching always, and subscribe. Let's grow together. See you guys on the next video.